How to fix to change stores, you must first cancel your Apple Music subscription problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix to change stores, you must first cancel your Apple Music subscription problem. So this subscription error just comes up whenever you're trying to change your store, that is while you are trying to change your country or location in your app store. So to fix this error, what you'll need to do is first head over to your settings, and on your settings head over to your Apple account settings, tap on your username on the top, and after you're there you will need to head over to subscriptions, and under subscriptions you will simply need to remove any subscription, especially Apple Music subscription, so that there are no subscriptions that is preventing you from changing the stores. So just remove all the subscriptions that you have, and after you do that you can head over to App Store again, tap on your user icon on the top right, tap on your username again, and after you do that you should see an option that says country and region. Head over there and change your region again. And it's that simple. That is how you can fix to change stores. You must first cancel your Apple Music subscription error. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.